Good evening to all my awesome friends and family. We're still at the Orange County Fair. Where do you think we are now? What does it look like? It looks like the bee display. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe it. I, of course, love bees. You know that so much. And they had so much great information over here and shared so many beautiful old photographs that they had framed to do with bees, beehives, and the kind of bees that are out there, all the different names, and all kinds of great information for all of us to learn. I love bees so much. I love everything about them, and I'm sure a lot of you do too. They had such great selection of honey there also. They had all kinds of ideas and sharing with you about building beehives, how to care for the bees. Oh, it was a great exhibit. I really, really enjoyed it. Not that I'm going to raise bees by any means, but I still love the exhibit. They had some antique pieces to share how people used to care for bees years ago, like this piece here. Oh, it was a wonderful display. I know you would love it. Next year, don't forget to go to the Orange County Fair. They had a great display of different kinds of honey from all over the state and had a lot of different wonderful creators bring in their honeys that they got off of their hives. And I don't know if you know this or not, but where the honey bees are collecting their honey makes a difference on how the honey tastes. And I was really amazed at the big selection of different kinds of honey put up by different awesome creators. And as you can see, there was a lot of blue ribbons in those cases. Some awesome, awesome honey. Now I just need to find where you buy honey from around the state and get to taste all the delicious different kinds of honey they were sharing. Now we're going over to another section in the Orange County Fair in just a second, so please stay on. Don't think we're just going to stop with the honey. Oh no, Grandma is also going to be telling you and showing you all about her fun things she likes in miniatures. They're coming up now. Oh, look at all the miniature little food items. Aren't they not beautiful in that case? Oh, they had so many beautiful miniature displays. Oh, I really enjoyed them all. What about you? What did you guys think of it? Let me know which one of these were your favorite out of all. And they had a lot. And I probably should have took even more pictures. But I'm thinking my Orange County Fair is really getting long and a lot of videos. I'm going to be putting another video up after this. And I'm also going to add a little more to this one here. So please don't click off after you see the miniatures. There's more to come, my dear friends, and see all the beautiful miniature things they had there. All in their beautiful cases, all so beautifully put together. Don't forget. Oh, I'm so glad you're still here. We still have more to share from the Orange County Fair. Oh my gosh, did they not have beautiful displays everywhere? And look at all the beautiful things and promotions they were doing. Oh, I love that truck and that trailer. I love camping and I love gardening. All the wonderful things I love to do. They have so many great things here, and look at this wonderful fall pumpkin stacked on top of each other. Oh, the displays were just so beautiful every corner of this building. Oh, look at this one with Pinocchio. Oh, isn't it cute? They had stuff all about. There's no way I could have filmed everything that was there. There was just too much to display. So, I hope you are enjoying watching all the different things they were sharing at the Orange County Fair. All the beautiful creators that came to put these things together. Look at this garden bench. Oh, would I love a garden bench like that. And look at this Ferris wheel full of little baby succulents. And here's some beautiful silk flowers somebody made themselves and beaded. Are they not beautiful? So many creative people came up with so many creative ideas to do so many great things here at the Orange County Fair. And here's a little more art and metal sculpture. Isn't this beautiful? Look at these little trees made out of wood and little wire, copper wire. Isn't it beautiful? The delicate work. Believe it or not, all these pieces that you're seeing total up to about $12,000. So you need to have some real money if you want to buy these pieces. But they were beautiful. I couldn't believe how much work and time someone put into this. Weren't the trees gorgeous? All the little leaves and limbs twisted around. Oh, I loved it so. And then the way they connected the tree to that frame, it looked beautiful. And if you notice all the layers under the tree, the root system working its way through, one level of paper after another, carefully put together and designed. Oh, it was gorgeous. This picture doesn't even show justice of how beautiful and how many layers they put into this to build this wonderful piece. And here's some more of those beautiful little trees built on other little objects. And here's one with a little shelving unit. Oh, I loved all these so. I must have probably spent 10-15 minutes just looking at it. I couldn't believe all the workmanship they had put into these pieces, all the wonderful displays, all the little things. You could keep rewatching this over and over, this section, and you'd be amazed at what you would see. Well, you're going to be happy to hear this is the last little bit I'm putting into this video. Don't get me wrong, this is just this video. I still have enough things I haven't shared to do a couple more videos for you, so we're not done doing the Orange County Fair videos, but we're done with this one. I wanted to share with you all the beautiful displays that they had, all the wonderful things to remind all of you that this was a state that at one time grew most of the food for the United States, I'm sure. We can grow food here year-round. We have perfect climate for growing food, and that's how I can grow in my own garden year-round. There's no reason why I can't plant something and be picking something every single day if I would just get out there and get busy and start planting. And that's what this is trying to tell you and show you, that there's always something you can make or grow in this state. California is a beautiful, wonderful state. Love living here. I've been here for 70 years. Well, my whole life. I was born and raised here. I have not lived any more than maybe 10 miles from the place that I was born in all of my life. Can you believe that? And I am really thankful and blessed that we came here and bought a home when property was still reasonable. It's very hard to live here now. Everything is so expensive. And all the beautiful, beautiful groves are almost all gone now, at least where I live, and all they are now is housing projects. And that is sad, because this country and this state was so beautiful at one time. So many beautiful orange tree groves and lemons and all kinds of produce, and we had all kinds of grapes here and wineries here at one time. It's all gone now to housing projects. That is sad. But there's still the redwoods, and there's still a lot of land in the interior of California that's still sort of empty that you can still enjoy. So if you want to get in your car, you can get away from all the people and traffic. But it is a little bit of a drive. And you can't tell where the cities begin and end anymore, because it's just one large city from San Diego to past LA. Never can you tell where the cities begin and end anymore. That is the only sad thing about living in California. But look at that California fresh. When I was a little girl, that's what it looked like where I lived. Just like that picture. In fact, that might even be a picture from where I live. Who knows? That's what it lived like. And here are all the beautiful succulents and saying how much we love California.